Changi Airport, Singapore. The local time is 22 minutes past 1 in the morning and the temperature is approximately 26 degrees Celsius. You may use your mobile phones and tablets, however, your seatbelt must remain fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Do pay attention to all announcements even while you use the device. Do take care when opening the overhead compartments and ensure you've taken all your belongings before leaving the aircraft. Passengers with connecting flights on Jetstar in Singapore require assistance. Please proceed to transfer desk counter C located in the departure transit lounge of Terminal 1. If you're holding your onward boarding pass, please check for boarding gate details on the flight information displays in the airport. Kindly report early to the boarding gates to prevent delays. And on behalf of Captain Sean Teo, Senior First Officer Pagan, and the rest of my team, Senior Cabin Crew Kazi, Cabin Crew Siti, and Cabin Crew Munira, I'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with Jetstar. It has been a pleasure having you on board with us today, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you and goodbye.